Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? It's a little chilly. I've got on my hoodie today. The weather is changing. Looks like we're moving towards winter now. So anyway, I hope everybody's doing wonderful out there today. I'm back to show you guys once you actually pay, what steps you need to take to go ahead and get your copy and paste ad system set up. You landed here probably because you're looking for a way to make some money online, and that's how you ended up on my page. I am a full-time affiliate marketer. Okay, and I show you different ways that you can make money online. Copy, paste, and ads. Copy and paste ad system. Okay, it's a great little program. That's only $149 to get started, and you're going to make $100 commissions over and over. There's no pass-ups. There's no monthly fees. Okay, it's a turnkey system. It has everything inside this system that you need to make money if you can just simply copy and paste. Okay, which most people can do. All right, guys. So I'm just going to show you what you're going to need to do when you first, once you pay your money, you should receive an email from copy and paste system. It should go to your email, look in your spam, and look in your junk folder. It's going to give you your login information. Once you log in, okay, you will come to your back office like this. Okay, this is the back office. Copy and paste ads. Okay, right here it says welcome. Click below to get started. You click here. Before you do that, go ahead and join the Facebook group. Okay, we do have a Facebook group. So you click start, okay, and then you go over here. Okay, let me get you there. Wrong page. Okay, you go, wrong one. Bear with me. I clicked the wrong page. Hold on. Hang on. Okay, and then it says getting started, right? You click the get started button. It takes you here and it gives you the steps, how to get set up quickly. Okay, so you're simply going to follow these steps, guys. Set up your profile here for the payment, for your payment details, so you can accept payments through PayPal, Square, or Stripe. Okay, so set that up. Go here, step 2, download the voicemail message. They do have a pre-recorded message if you like to use their pre-recorded message. I haven't used it yet. I've set it up, but my ads I've been running lately have been just my my link to my capture page. But this is a great way to do it here. But you're going to have to send the emails out. Okay, so follow these steps, set that up, and copy and paste your ad. List that phone number. You're going to get a phone number from 800 Link. It's only $9.95 a month. You're going to link it to this recorded message right here. Okay, and we give you over 100 places to post your ads. Okay, and you're going to keep repeating step 4 through 6. Okay, to get the results consistently. Posting the ads, posting the ads. Okay, and I'm going to show you the sales page here too and show you something here. Hold on one second. Okay, so those are the 6 steps. Now, this is the sales page that you get once you opt in. This is the video that's going to play. It's about 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes. Okay, it's going to explain the program. And you come down here. Okay, it tells you what's included. Everything is listed right here. What's included. Okay, nothing to be questioned. Everything it tells you right there. And as you scroll down a little bit further, just to make sure you're on the right page, make sure it says Postcard Diva right here. And if you have any questions, guys, you can call. Okay, they'll answer your questions. Call that number, extension, and just give them your name, phone number, and Postcard Diva. They'll know who referred you. Okay, and then there's a FAQ section. If you don't find your answer there, then feel free to give me a call or call that number, and they can take care of it for you. But feel free to call me. Okay. So it's just that simple, guys. I have a gentleman that's 74 years old. He signed up. Not that that's old. I'm just saying he's doing this system. Okay. So I know you guys can do it. It's not complicated. Don't overthink it. Just join, sign up. We give you the places to place the ads. I will share with you one of my favorite places that I spend $4 and I place my ad, and I get great return with the leads that's coming through, and I've gotten some sign-ups from that location as well. Okay, very simple system, very easy. I mean, you can't beat this, copying and pasting. And I'm going to show you the back office here. Okay, so I'm in the office. As you can see up here, this is a turnkey system. It has everything you need within the back office. Okay, here's all your contacts, all the capture pages, tools, stats. There's a tracking system so you can track your marketing. So when you go back here, you assign a certain page, and that way you can track where those sales are coming from. Resources, voicemail instructions, contact us, set your profile up right here. Here's sample ad copies right there, the voicemail message there, and all your referrals are right here. If you click here, you'll see all your referrals. Okay, so everything you need is there. And as you come down, make sure you join the Facebook group here. Okay, once you get set up. Okay, and everything is here as well. Same thing. Tracking. You can also, I love that. Okay, so you can go back here at least once a week. All your leads, you can send them a message. We have banners. Okay, you can place ads out there using the banners. Under these resources, there's lots of information there. Places to market. Some great information in here for $159. It's very, very reasonable. No pass-ups, okay? I can't say that enough. No pass-ups. Everyone loves that. There's no pass-up. That I'm getting quite a bit of response on, of course, this one. Show you this one. We have this page with the phone number or without the phone number, okay? So we have 6 capture pages, okay? That's one of my favorites. And then here's my other favorite right here. This one, okay? And they get great responses, okay? We've got, I'm getting a over 50% opt-in rate, okay, with these pages. So that's amazing. I can tell you that. That's really amazing. So I'm going to put the link below too for the texting, because a lot of people are asking me, well, hey, can I do texting with this? Of course, you can do any marketing strategies you choose. We were just giving you some of the simplest ones and very reasonable to place ads, but definitely you can do text message marketing, and I'll put both of those platforms below. I have 2 text messaging tools. Okay, I have one for $20 and I have one for $197. I'll put that below, but get started with me, guys, and this is a great place to start. If you're working with a budget, this is definitely a great place to start. And I'll put another link below if you're looking to come in and make bigger commissions. I have another program where you can make higher commissions as well. But a perfect place right here for a newbie or a person that's just on the go, that's working and says, I don't want to spend a lot of time on the computer, in front of the computer. Here you have it, okay? Copy and paste ads. So I'll put the link below. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and also click the notification bell so you can be notified once I upload new videos as well, okay? I look forward to you guys joining. I'll see you on the inside. And you guys have a blessed day.